Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today math class. Children, we are going to continue same topic even today also, which is 12th chapter smart charts. Children, last class we learned about tally marks with help of one activity. Even today class also we have one more activity which is based on tally marks. So without wasting our time, let us see the today activity which is based on tally marks. Children, what you can see in this image? Sir, here we have one shop, snacks shop, sir. Here we can see the different snacks and shopkeeper is there. One girl is standing there and she catches one pen, sir. And some vehicles are on road. Yes, here we can see bus and we can see the truck, cycle, rickshaw. So like that we can see different vehicles, they are passing on road. Yes, now let us see the activity better. Making tally marks on the road. Sumita stood on the road for half an hour and counted the number of vehicles passing by. Yes, what she said better? Here this girl Sumita is standing near that snacks shop and she started counting the number of vehicles passing from her, and she done this activity how much time better? Half an hour. So half an hour, how many vehicles are crossing from her? She counted. She made a tally marks for each vehicle, like how many buses are passing, how many trucks are passing, how many cycle rickshaw. So like that for this she done the counting, number of vehicles are passing, and she done this counting by using tally marks. She took the help of tally marks. Children, you know one thing, the importance of this tally marks is where we can use for running counting, where you can use for rounding counting, we will use the tally marks. Running counting means suppose 3 vehicles over, we will keep 3 lines, again 4th vehicle, 4, 5, 6. So when it is running counting is going on, where we can use the tally marks. Now she made a table, how many vehicles are crossing in that half an hour. Yes, here you can see one table better. Here we have different types of vehicles, cycle, car, auto rickshaw, bus, cycle rickshaw and truck. And she took the help of tally marks. Took the help of tally marks. Let us see this activity better. Yes, children, let us see one more activity based on the tally marks. Here she took vehicle names. Here she wrote different types of vehicle names better. Cycle, car, auto rickshaw, bus, cycle rickshaw and truck. And here she took the help of tally marks for running counting. And based on this activity, we have some questions. Let us answer the questions. Write the number of each vehicle in the table. Like how many cycle are passing, how many car passing. So we need to write the number of vehicles in this table. So let us write the number of vehicles. Children, already we discussed. So if suppose one cycle is passing, she will take one vertical line. It means 1. And if 2 vehicles are passing, 2 cycles are passing, 1 vertical line and second one. This symbol shows that 2 cycles. 2 vehicles. Third cycle also passing 1, 2, 3. It shows that 3 vehicles. Next you can see beta 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vehicles are crossing. She will take this symbol. Now see vertical line first 1, 2, 3, 4. One diagonal 5. So only one cycle is passing, she will take one vertical line. If 2 cycles are passing, she will take one vertical line and one horizontal, like 2 sides. 3 vehicles, 3 same type of vehicles are passing, she will take one vertical line, one horizontal, one vertical, like 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 3 sides, 3 vehicles. 4 vehicles are passing, she will take like this with a symbol 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 vehicles. Next, 5 vehicles are passing. She will take this symbol 1 vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 1 diagonal. So total 5 vehicles. Now let us do counting better here. How many cycles are passing in that half an hour? Here we can see 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fours are 20, 21, 22, 23. Here we can see 23 vehicles. Or you can go with addition also better. 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Sorry, 25 better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5 is 25, 25, 26, 27, 28. Sorry beta, here 28 cycles are passing. 28 cycles are passing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each symbol 5. 5 5 is 25 plus 3, 28. How many cars are passing? See beta, 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12. So here we can see 12 cars. 10 plus 2, 12. Auto rickshaw beta here see 1, 2, 3. Each symbol shows 5 vehicles. 5 into 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, here we have 18 auto rickshaw passing in that half an hour. How many bus beta? 1, 2, 3. 3 symbols. One symbol, 5 vehicles. 5 into 3, 15. I said you can go with addition also. 5, 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. How many cycle rickshaw beta here? Each symbol shows 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25. How many symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, fifth one is diagonal not there beta. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 symbols are completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 is 20, 20 plus 4. We can take here 24. Next, how many trucks are passing? Here 5 plus 1, 6. So like that you can do better. See answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5 is 25 plus 3, 28. 10 plus 2, 12. 15 plus 3, 18. 15. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 5 plus 1, 6. So first one is clear. Second one is how many vehicles in all did Subhita see on the in half an hour? So they are asking total number of vehicles. So let us find the total number of vehicles over here. Total number of vehicles. Let us find the total number of vehicles. This you can note down better in classroom. If you note down this, it will be easy while counting. Yes. Let us find the total number of vehicles by adding all this. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, 27 plus 6, 33, 3 can carry 3 here. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 or 3 I got. If not, you can go with normal addition also. 28, 12, 18, 15, 24 and 6. Like this you can do addition and you can write down there if you are unable to do there itself. 8 plus 2, 10 better. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 3 you can carry over. 3 plus 2, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Which is 103. So total number of vehicles only better 103. Yes, we can write 103 vehicles. Yes, 103 vehicles. 103 vehicles. Auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. So let us see how many auto rickshaws there here. How many auto rickshaws are there? Auto rickshaw 18. Auto rickshaw is 18. You know thrice means 3 times of number of trucks. Let us see how many trucks are there. Number of trucks 6. Now here they are telling that 18 is 3 times of 6. It seems correct. 3 times of 6. 3 into 6. 18 only. Hope it is clear. 18 is 3 times of 6. See, thrice nothing but 3 times of 3 into 6. Thrice 6, nothing but 3 times of 6. 3 into 6. How much 3 into 6? 18. They said 18 only. So what we can say about this? Yes, auto rickshaw having 18 is 3 times of truck. 18 is 3 times of 6. What is the answer, beta? Answer is true. Here T nothing but true, F nothing but false. So the answer is true. The reason, number of auto rickshaw 18 or 3 times of number of trucks 6. Make tally marks. You take 7 more bus and 2 more trucks. Yes. Let us take the bus. How many will take the bus now? Yes. We will take number of bus. How many now? We will take 7 bus. We will take here 7 bus. And next 2 trucks. Now let us take the number of trucks. How many? Number of trucks 2. Now let us write the tally marks for that. Let the tally marks for that. So bus 7. How can I write 7 by tally marks? 1 vertical line first. 2 bus, 3 bus, 4 bus, 5 bus, 6, 7 bus. Completed. Now 2 trucks. How can I write 2 trucks? By using tally marks. 1 truck, vertical line, 2 trucks. Like that you can write. Hope it is clear. So this is one more activity based on the tally marks. And here we can observe that running counting will be easy when we take the help of tally marks. Children, let us see one more activity. This one is based on chapati chart. Here you can see chapati chart better. Yes, this one is chapati chart. And the same chapati chart, if you go to 7th, 8th standard, where we can call it as pie chart. What do we call better? Pie chart. In 5th grade, they are using the word chapati chart. Let us see about this chapati chart with the help of one activity. Yes, what you can see in that image better? 4 children are sitting over in front of teacher, and you can see their board EVS they written. I think so. She is EVS subject teacher, and she asking something there. You can see she is questioning with hand, and the children are telling the answers. I think so. They are lifting their hands. You can see there. Now let us see about this activity, helping the hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked children whether they help their parents at home. So in that EVS period, that EVS teacher asked for children. What she asked, beta? Yes. How many of you helped your parents? If you are going to help your parents, in what way you are going to help your parents? There were different answers. Children named the work in which they helped their parents the most. She received different answers from different students. They mentioned in what way they are going to help their parents. And the teacher collected their answers and made a table. They said in what way they are going to help to their parents. All those answers she received, whatever the answers she received, she made a table and she written all the answers in the table. Yes, here you can see the answers better. Help most in housework, number of children. Going to the market, 47 children are helping to their parents while going to the market. Washing utensils, 15. There are 15 children who are helping their parents while washing the utensils. Washing clothes, 3 children are helping. Making and serving the food, there are 25 children who are helping their parents while making and serving the food. And there are 10 children who are helping their parents while cleaning the house. Here they gave one more column extra for us. Total children who said they help their parents. We need to find the total number of students, those who are helping to their parents. Now, based on this information, we need to fill this chapati chart. Here you can see better. Now you can fill chapati chart to show the numbers given in the table. Here you can see chapati chart. Already one is filled. We need to fill the remaining parts, and this we need to fill with the help of the information which they gave in this table. Okay children, let us fill the chapati chart with the help of this table. Yes children, let us fill the chapati chart with the help of this table. Here they said helping hands. Here they gave the name, what way they are going to help their parents, and here they give number of children. Now we can fill chapati chart to show numbers given in the table. So whatever the numbers given in the table, so this we need to fill the chapati chart. So here they are asking total children who said they help their parents. Let us find the total part here. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 5 20. So we write here 0, here 2. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 100. There are 100 students who gave the answers minimum. Those are helping to their parents. Now here you can see, here we have one circle. What we have got a circle. Now can you tell me this circle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is divided into 5 parts. Here we have total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children gave 4 different ways answers. Because of that, in circle they took 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, they said the answers 5 different ways. Because of that, in circle they took 5 different parts. And one of the part already filled, cleaning the house. How many are there? There are 10 children. Those are helping to the parents while cleaning the house. This already filled. So we need to think about remaining 4 parts. So we need to fill the remaining 4 parts. Now before going to fill, let us see the each part. Children, what you can say about each part? Can I say the leftover 4 parts are equal in area? Already we learned what is area in previous class. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 parts are left. What you can comment about their area? No sir, all the parts are not same area. Now tell me which part has more area in that 4 parts? Sir, this is part which contains more area. After this contains more area. Then this one small number. Now from the remaining 4 parts, can you tell me where I can see the big number? 47 going to the market. In the remaining 4 numbers, 47 is the big number going to the market. So this place contains this part contains some more area. No, in that more area we write the big number which is going to the market. So this part will give for going to the market. Yes, going to the market. Sir, why this part you allotted for going to the market? The reason, it is the greater part in the leftover 4 parts. Greater part we need to fill with a greater number. Now from the remaining 3 parts, can you tell me what is the greater part? Sir, this will be greater, I think so. Now here after 47, what is the greater number? After 47 and 10, the greater number is 25. Making and serving food. Yes. Now here we can write this, we can allot for making and, yes, making and serving food. Yes, this we can allot for making and serving food. How many are there beta? 25. Yes, more 2 parts are left. From these 2 parts, again you try to identify the greater part beta. Sir, this is the greater part compared to this part. So in that greater part, so what is the greater number other than this 47, 25 and 10? 15. Don't tell me 100. 100 is total beta. So 15 is the greater part which is washing utensils. Yes, this we can allot for washing utensils. How many are there? 15. So the last part which is left beta, washing clothes, small number. So the remaining last part will be for washing cloth. You can write here itself. So I don't have sufficient place. So let me write here. And while copying, you people write better inside only. So washing clothes. How many are there? There are three. Three children are helping washing clothes. That is the way we can fill the chapati chart. Now based on that, here we have one question better. Let us answer this question. Look and find out. Look the chapati chart and find out. Children help in making or serving the food are. How many children are helping and making serving food? 25. There are 25 students, and this 25 is about this 25. What they said? It is 1/3 of total children, half of total children, 1/4 of total children. Let us see which one is correct. So here you can see beta 1/3 means we can write 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. OF of nothing but we take into total children. Can you tell me what is? How many are the total children? 100. It is 100 is equal to 1 into 100. 100/3. This we can't do simplification. Half of total children. Half nothing but 1/2. OF of nothing but into total children. How many are there? 100. You can simplify better this to 2 1s are 2, 50 is 100. 50. 1/4 of total children. 1/4. We can write 1/4. OF of means into total children. How many are there? 100. Let us simplify this. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 left. 20. 4 5s are 20. Here I got 25. Now children help in making and serving the food 25. So in which option you can see same answer 25? Here I can see same answer 25. So what we can conclude better here? Children helping and making serving the food 25 is 1/4 of 100. 1/4 of 100. So we can write therefore children help in making or serving the food or serving the food are. How they are? They are 1/4 of total children or 1/4 of total children. 1/4 of total children. See, total children is 100. 1/4 of 100 is 25. Nothing but the children those are helping by making the and serving the food. Thank you, children. Hope you understood today class. Today class we learned 2 activities. One is based on tally marks and other one is based on chapati chart. Thank you once again. We'll meet next class.